we'll get everybody geared up now.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Notice how when I sit into my harness, my whole harness is holding up all my weight. My feet aren't on the ground or anything. I'm good to go. So we're going to take your right hand off those ropes. Have a nice open palm. And on the bottom cable, have a nice downward pressure and let it slide.
How you feeling, mate?
Fantastic.
Yes, and I think this is going to be hysterical. I can't wait.
Break, behind.
Oh, it was exciting. That was kind of fun. Good.
Not good.
Yeah, we like these trees too. This is the state tree of Alaska. It is. It's the third tallest species of tree. It's called a Sitka spruce.
That was so great.
Here I come!
better.
Congratulations.
Woo! Yeah, because she says, by the time I get to the real scary one, I'll probably be okay.
Seconds to do what?
Get the ground.
Just to Danielle, there's a Danielle.
Almost.
Yay!
Just to Danielle, clear out Danielle.
Oh my God.